Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're hoping to craft a standout resume or CV but want to skip the headache of complicated formatting in Word or Google Docs, this tutorial is absolutely for you. Today, I'll walk you through step by step how to quickly build a professional resume right inside Notion using their free Resume CV template. By the end, you'll not only have a polished CV ready to send out, but you'll know how to tweak it to suit your personality and needs. So let's dive in. We're going to take advantage of Notion's built-in Resume CV template, which is fantastic because it's designed to look modern and clean right out of the box. Templates take away all the heavy lifting of layout and formatting, letting you focus on what's most important, your story and accomplishments. So here's where we start. Open Notion on your browser or desktop app and head to your workspace. On the top left, find that little drop-down menu labeled More Options. This is basically your portal to Notion's huge template gallery. Click it, and you'll see several choices appear. Select Browse Templates. This opens up a whole world of ready-made pages in Notion, not just for resumes, but for project management, note-taking, journaling, and a ton more. But for today's goal, go to the search bar and type in Resume or CV. You'll notice a handful of different layouts pop up, each with a bit of unique flavor. Maybe you're into minimal design, or you like something with a splash of color. Take a second to preview the ones you like best. There's no rush here. Picking a template that feels right for you is important since this document will represent you professionally. Once you've found a template that suits your style, click on it and then press the Add button. Notion will instantly set up a new page for you. And here's the best part. The backbone of your resume is already built. All the sections, headings, and formatting are there. Even if you've never designed a resume before, you'll feel like a pro because it looks clean and structured from the start. Now it's time to add your credentials. This step is a little like filling out a personal profile online. It's all about you. Take your time to fill in your name, your contact information, and your headline or summary. Don't worry if you're not sure what to write for each section. Remember, you can come back and tweak things later. Next, drop in your work experience, education, skills, and any other details the template provides. As you type, notice how everything fits neatly into place. One great tip: if you have creative projects, portfolio links, or social media accounts, you can showcase them right here as well. Notion lets you add links, images, or even embed files, so you can really personalize your resume beyond the usual black and white document. Speaking of personalization, take a moment and update your profile picture. Click on the default image and swap it with a friendly, professional photo of you. Changing the name and other details is easy too. Just click and type. This little touch adds a spark of authenticity, so when someone reviews your resume, they can connect your credentials with your face. Before you finish, double-check everything for accuracy, spelling, dates, and job titles. This is your professional billboard, so it's worth the extra minute. If you want, you can even experiment with the template's colors or fonts to give it a subtle, personal signature. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've built a custom professional resume in Notion and personalized it to stand out. If you enjoyed this tutorial and it helped you speed up your job application process, give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck landing those interviews.